This is a 90-90 hip lift with a hip shift. We're going to set up in the 90-90 position with the feet on the wall, preferably in shoes. The heel and the base of the big toe is going to be contacting the wall, and our ball is going to go in between the knees. In this position, we're going to inhale as we dig down with the heels, lifting the tailbone just slightly so that the tailbone tucks under. Then we're going to exhale, fully letting our back relax into the table. From here, we're going to do our hip shift, thinking about reaching up with one side as the other side reaches back down into the table. We're going to do that on an inhale. In this case, I'm reaching up with the right knee and back with the left thigh and hip. The majority of the weight in this case is going to be in the left back of the hip and lower back against the table. And there's going to be a slight decrease in pressure on this side that's reaching up, in this case, the right. In this position, we can perform breaths statically, or once we're comfortable moving in and out of this position, we can then make it a little bit more dynamic by exhaling as we return, inhaling as we shift up, exhaling as we return. To enhance our sense of the downside, we can also inhale up, exhale, and squeeze gently the knee of the leg that is back into the ball. Under those circumstances, we're going to enhance the pressure into that downside, and we're going to feel a little bit of inner thigh activity. That's your 90-90 hip lift with a hip shift.